Leaders, managers, executives in business, NPOs, and the corporate sector. This is your invitation to join us this Thursday, 22nd of May from 7:45 to 9:45 at Lion Lodge for a BNI Octane Business Breakfast. As part of said business breakfast, where you'll meet like-minded, growth-minded entrepreneurs and network building relationships, I will deliver the keynote address titled Dance Through Your Seasons. Personality plus process equals prosperity. I will share insights, exciting moments of my project with Child Welfare Bloemfontein Childline Free State, a 12-month project spanning 4 seasons since they were halved in terms of operations after international donor funding dried up overnight. Looking forward to seeing you there. Kindly RSVP to me, Werner, using the details provided by Wednesday, 21 May at 3 p.m. SA time. Grow well.